Okay, so if you've seen Magic's other videos, you already know that she's shown signs of having stargazing disorder, which is quite rare for hamsters, and unfortunately there's no cure. Hamsters with this disorder, though, can still live happy, productive lives. Magic seems to be able to control her backflipping, as I've witnessed her on many occasions seeming to be cautious about the objects behind her, and true stargazers cannot control it at all. Plus, Magic would only backflip while in her habitat and only seem to do it when excited. Still, we take things very seriously when it comes to our fur babies and their health, so we've provided Magic with extra stimulation because they say that stargazing hamsters may develop their symptoms due to boredom. And Magic very rarely will backflip now, which is a huge improvement, as she used to backflip a lot and on a daily basis. Now Magic is facing a new health concern. Magic has developed an abscess on the outside of her left cheek, which she is being treated for, but unfortunately the abscess just won't go away. After the vet first diagnosed her and gave her medication, the abscess shrank some, but about a week after her medications were done, it started to grow some more, and it's probably the size it was when I took her to the vet initially. She's taking more medication now, though, so hopefully it'll get better. It's extremely important to take your hamster, or any animal for that matter, immediately to the vet if you notice any lumps on them. Abscesses are not as troublesome as tumors, but they still should not be taken lightly. Thankfully, Ms. Magic hasn't really seemed to be affected too much from her abscess, as she's still behaving, eating, drinking, and playing normally, and her ability to keep on trucking is truly inspiring. Now they say abscesses are caused by a bacterial infection, and they say the most common cause of an abscess for a hamster is a cut or scratch from another hamster. We always house our hammies separately, so I know nobody scratched her. We only use paper bedding, as wood shavings can be extremely harmful for them for many reasons, and she lives in a tank, so there really isn't anything in her home that could cut her, which makes it a mystery as to how she developed this abscess, especially with how anal we are about keeping everything super clean. It's fairly easy to spot an abscess on your hamster, though. They may hide it from you, as they're excellent at hiding any illness, but if you're handling your hammy every day, you should be able to spot an abscess pretty easily. Typically, you would just see a lump or bulge. Now, an abscess can be hard or soft depending on its type, and it could be cancerous or just irritated. Magic's abscess is on the outside of her cheek under the skin, but abscesses can also be inside their mouths, which may just make them look like their cheeks are full. If your hamster always appears to have their cheeks full, though, you should have them checked by a vet to be sure they don't have an abscess. Anyway, we hope everyone and their hammies are doing well, and we hope you will check back for more about Magic and hamster care. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for much more.